So from time to time you need to check whether your breather cap is clean, because if you have problems with ventils, then everything will go inside this breather cap. So the procedure is quite trivial. You just need to unscrew 4 screws here, and then you can see it's OHV or head valves. So you'll need, I think it's 10mm screws, but before you have to take out this one. Of course, if you can. Sometimes they're quite sticky. Looks not that oily inside, so I really hope that I don't have any problems with my valves. Actually, I never disassembled it since I bought it about 2 years ago, so I hope that there are no problems with the valves, because otherwise I have to adjust the valve clearance. I need to gently help it to take off. Yeah, just be careful not to break it. Well, it doesn't look too bad. So everything seems to be relatively normal. Have to put some oil here, but otherwise it feels fine. Don't see excessive amount of oil here and in here too, so it should be fine. So what I can do, I just can put some oil on top of it, just to make sure that it's sealed. So it's nothing extraordinary. Just oil. Alright, since it's fine, no problem, luckily. Yeah, it's clean even inside. Then I can put it back. Alright, so that's it. That's how you check your overhead valve compartment. Yes, and the last thing that you need to do is to tighten them, and you put the hose back to it.